Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pauline Study and welcome here. So in today's video, I've been thinking, I keep on getting some ideas for my YouTube channel, especially for my hair content, and of late I'm going to be doing hairstyles which I think brides should try out for their weddings, for their bridesmaids, for traditional weddings, that kind of thing. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out this very particular hairstyle that I think I really love. Yeah, it's not so complex, though I'm going to pimp it with what I can afford, what I have in my house. Yeah, and also if you'd like me to feature you on my channel while I do your hair, please do leave a comment down below. And yeah, please guys, don't forget to put a thumbs up, don't forget to like, please. It really means a lot to me when you comment, when you like a video of mine, please do, and also when you share. Okay guys, I'm going to quickly show you what I may be using in this video. Not everything that I'm going to use, but I'm going to show you everything that I have here prepared to do my hair. So I have this flower. You guys have seen this flower over and over again, but I like it because it just suits me. I love simple things. And then I have these two stylish pins, yeah, for fixing the hair. And at some point I wish I had a better accessory that matches these pins. And then I have two combs here, this one and this one. This is for making perfect lines, this is for combing. And then definitely I also have styling pins. And something that I must mention is that you should be having two types of styling pins. And so these are the two types of the styling pins. Yeah, so this is for making very firm and long pinnings, and then this is for short styles. Like, yeah, so basically if you've been very keen to notice that, for my bun, for the extension, I always use these kinds of pins. Yeah, and then I have my bottle of water here to moisturize my hair in case I need to. Most of the times I don't like to apply the water. And then I'm going to be having a brush. The reason why I don't need gel in this hairstyle is because the hair has to be a bit puffy, and gel just makes the hair slip. So something that I shouldn't forget is that I'm definitely going to be utilizing this hair extension. I think I'm about to ask for a donation of an hair extension, but this is the hair extension that I'm going to be using. So I hope you guys yeah, even if you don't have it, I think you can always use a different kind, but I like this because it's just the hair texture that I have, and it gives a more natural look. This is a Mali braid. So yeah, and of course I have a mirror. And yeah, so guys, let's dive into this video. It's not going to be a very long video, and I think I might have a voiceover, or I may just play some music. We'll see how that goes. So guys, let us dive into the video. Something that I must mention is that my hair is very thick texture and is a 4C 4B hair type. So in case you have a 4A hair type, this may not definitely turn out the very way that it's going to turn out on my hair, but nevertheless you can always try it out with the bridesmaids, even for yourself. Okay, so guys, let us dive into the video. So guys, I forgot to say this. You guys know that I wear glasses and I really have a serious defect. So in case you see any errors, you please forgive me. It's because I can't do these hairstyles with my glasses on, but otherwise I really try to make everything so perfect. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.